Have you ever wondered if your employer is correctly tracking your work time, or if you are getting paid fairly for every hour you put in? Understanding your rights regarding work hours can make a big difference in your financial well-being and job satisfaction. The Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA, is a federal law that establishes important rules for work hours, including minimum wage, overtime pay eligibility, record keeping, and child labor standards. Its main goal is to protect workers by ensuring fair compensation and reasonable working conditions across most private and public employment. The primary reason these rules exist is to ensure that employees are compensated for all hours worked, preventing exploitation and promoting economic fairness. The FLSA defines hours worked quite broadly, generally including all time an employee is on duty, on the employer's premises, or at any other prescribed place of work. This includes not just productive time but also things like waiting time, on-call time if restricted, and even certain training or travel times. The Act mandates that most non-exempt employees must be paid 1.5 times their regular rate of pay for all hours worked over 40 in a work week. To make sure you are benefiting from these protections, it is helpful to keep your own accurate record of all hours you work, including start and end times, and any breaks taken. If you believe your hours are not being correctly recorded or that you are not receiving proper overtime pay, the first step is often to calmly discuss your concerns with your employer or human resources department. Many issues can be resolved directly, and employers are legally obligated to maintain accurate records themselves. One insider detail to understand is the distinction between exempt and non-exempt employees. Non-exempt employees are those covered by the FLSA's minimum wage and overtime provisions, meaning they must receive overtime pay for hours over 40. Exempt employees, often those in executive, administrative, or professional roles who meet specific salary and duty tests, are not entitled to overtime. Knowing your classification is key to understanding your FLSA rights regarding work hours. By understanding the FLSA rules for work hours, you empower yourself to advocate for proper compensation and ensure your employer complies with federal labor laws. This knowledge helps you protect your earnings and contributes to a fair and transparent working environment for everyone.